The purpose of this demonstration is to show how to approve and review requests for Seminar Room 200. To do so, you're going to click your dashboard. You have three notification rules. One is new reservation request for room 200. The next is reservation changes for 200. And this is room changes made by Whitney. This will show you anytime I move a course to and from the nursing building outside of nursing courses. It's just a notification to let you know I moved something. So this one is where you're going to actually review and approve. So you have one, notice how it's red, that means there's something in your box. So to review and approve, you're going to double click here and it takes you into the reservation. These reservations are what people submit through the web app that require your review. You're going to click this top level right here. So this shows you everything that was submitted. I did this one a few minutes ago. It's a demo reservation made by me. It's for this day, this time. To review any information about it, it says that yes, I'm the primary point of contact, and the event description is a demo reservation. So if you review all the items and you say, yes, I want to approve this reservation, you're simply going to click Change Status. You're going to select Confirmed and send a confirmation email. Make sure both boxes are checked and you're selecting Confirm. If you want to deny this, you can cancel here. If you want this event to not be publicized on the web app for everybody to see, so if this is a private meeting for nursing, or if it's the president meeting, you can confirm that it's private. So select Confirmed, click Next, and Finish. Select the nursing confirmation for the setup for the email, and email here. And there's already a pre-built one set up. We'll set you one up as well for your name with your email address here. This shows the date. It says it's confirmed, and you just click Send, which is here, and it sends to the user. Notice that I'm the user because I'm the one that made the request. To clean out the notifications out of your dashboard, you can adjust all of these screens here. You're going to click here, and you're going to scroll over and see once you confirmed it, you want it to disappear. So it shows the status as confirmed. Click Reviewed. Say yes, I want to mark it as reviewed, and it takes it out of your dashboard. So when you click out, notice your dashboard will turn green, so you have no items that you need to review. If you ever want to review the schedule for all the classrooms, you can do so two ways. You can click the academic book, which is similar to the Google Calendar. It's going to show you what all is taking place in the nursing building. You just click each individual room. Let's click refresh here. If nothing is showing on the calendar, it's because this item's not selected. So you're going to select here for the fall semester, and it'll show you a list of all the courses and everything that's scheduled for this semester. So it's going to see anything blue or pink are academic classes, anything green are events that are created by you or someone else in your office. This academic book only shows academic classrooms. Well, it actually shows the conference rooms as well. Shows all the meetings here. Notice here, for the demo meeting that we did, I included a setup and breakdown time. The setup time is going to be skinnier than the actual meeting time. You can also view reservations through the book. It's a different view. It's going to show you all of the rooms at the same time. And you can do this by day. So for today, it's going to show you every meeting that's scheduled in the nursing building. So you kind of have an idea of what schedule is taking place. To review any other reservations, click Academic Book or Book. And to go back to your dashboard to review anything that requires your attention, you click here.